So guys, welcome back to my channel. Samuel here. This is going to be a very quick video. I ordered the Haylou Gt1 Pro on Jumia 2 days to today, and it was delivered yesterday, so I just picked it up. So I want to unbox it in front of you guys. So that is why you have the Jumia pack here. If you want to order yours, I'm going to leave links in the description. Yeah, it actually cost me about 8,000 naira, about $25. So let's get to the unboxing, guys. Yeah. This is the Haylou TWX earbuds Gt1 Pro. Yeah, so and in the Jumia box I was given biscuit, so I might just try to let us eat it together. Is it biscuit or munchie or something? That was a mess, guys. That was a mess. This is the Haylou TWS AirPod, the Haylou Gt1 Pro. Is the same as the Haylou Gt1, but with an improved battery. Like the Haylou Gt1 has 300 mAh battery, but this one has 800 and has a charging indicator. That's just the major difference between the Haylou Gt1. Most of the stuff here are written in Chinese, and we have English here. Haylou Gt1, yeah, model Haylou Gt1 Pro. You can see in the camera. Charging time about 1 hour 30 minutes, calling time about 3.5 hours, 3 hours 35 minutes, and all of those nonsense and everything that are there. So on the side we have, so this is water resistance. You can take water and a little bit of dust. IPX5 water resistance, so you can withstand your sweat on just a little bit of water and stuff. It's touch sensitive, yeah, and it is Bluetooth 5.0. So let's unbox this thing, guys. The box is pretty simple, with the blue, a gray, and the black color. Yeah, black color. So let's get to the unboxing, guys. So this is it, guys. So let's try to, I think I'm going to slide it up or down to get it unboxed. This is so hard to get to.
One eternity later.
So after one eternity, we are able to get to the box. So this is the Haylou Gt1 Pro, guys. So let's just unbox this. I'm so excited right now. Wow, this is it, guys. Please, I'm sorry if you can hear any background noise right now. I just want to unbox this right now. I don't want to wait till evening or night to do this. So this is the Haylou Gt1 Pro box. Like as I've said earlier, it's matte finish. That's a matte finish, and beneath it you have some branding, like the normal branding made in China and all those. At the back of it you have the micro USB port, so it still uses the micro USB to charge this, and the front of it you have the LED indicator. So when you open this, it's going to get on. Let's try it. So as you can see, the thing is on, so it signifies that it is full. Each of it represents 25% of battery life, so 25%, 50%, 75%, on 100%. So this is it, guys. This is what you've been waiting for. This is the Haylou Gt1 Pro. Yeah, let's get this out, guys. So when you get this out, they are a little bit, like I said, a little bit, they are tiny, so they're not too bulky for your ears, and this is just it. So it has a little bit like some covers here to stop it from charging in the box. So we're going to get this off right now. So let's get the other one off right now. So this is it. So you can see here we have the left and yeah. So as you can see here, you have for this like the left banding, the left stuff. So this is for the left here, and this is for the right here, guys. So let's see what else is in the box, guys. Let's see what else in the box. So here we have another box here. I think a little bit of foam and the paper works. Like, who reads this nowadays? But let's just, for clarity's sake, most of it are even written in Chinese, and yeah, we have the English functionality here. So all of it, the specifications are written here, and how you are going to control it. To watch the full review, guys, subscribe to my channel for more. I'm going to give you the full review soon, so subscribe to my channel. I'm going to do that soon. So let's just get back to the tiny box that is here that I've told you. Yeah, you have the charging cable, a little bit of like a small one. This is the micro USB charging cable. This is the micro USB that came in the box, and that is all, guys. And yeah, some extra tips for your ear. So if the one that ear does not fit in perfectly to your ear, you can just change it to these ones here. So I'm going to show you a video now, like a clip of me putting this in my ear to just see how this fits. From there, I'm going to get back to the video. Let me try to connect both now. I think when I press it down, fuck. So pair new device. Yeah, you can see Haylou Gt1 Pro is on my device already. So let's just press it. Pairing. Yeah, allow pair. Connecting, connected. So the battery that it came with is 90%. If you can see that, guys, 90%. So they are connected right now. So I'm going to tell you how the thing sounds in my full review video. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, just do that now, as the full review will be coming soon. This is just an unboxing video. I'm so excited about this, so I just have to unbox it in front of you guys. That's all for this video, guys. It's Samuel here signing out. On to the next one. Peace out.